So we're gonna make a part 4 today. That's taking off the wire.
Okay. Don't show my face, just show my hands. This is your video. Alright, here we go. This is aluminum here. That's aluminum. That's aluminum. This is aluminum. That's copper. You want to keep that too. This is aluminum. This is aluminum. And this is copper. And sometimes when you go here, let me grab something else. Sometimes you grab it here. Not that time. But anyway. But normally you just take them. What I like to do, or Jordan showed me a little trick. Rip it out. Comes right out. And you got aluminum there. Got aluminum there. And you want to test it. Make sure you have aluminum. Choose your magnet. It doesn't hit. Magnet hits on everything but aluminum. So you know you got aluminum there. So you put that back and you rip the rest of this out. And I'm gonna take these transformers out right here. These are small little mini transformers you pull out. Now I just normally grab them. Boom. There's copper here and all inside there. It's all copper. Good money. But I'll let Jordan finish the rest of the video.
Okay. We'll be back here in a second.
These wheels, we can have these for furniture dollies. This is metal. We can scrap these. And this is wire, magnets, projector, aluminum, copper, and then transformers. And we could really make some money off this. So